Right here's my pneumatic OEM oil extractor. So this one's awesome because you could do manual, or like I have it set up to the air compressor right here. So that way all you have to do is flip a switch. So right here, I already have that going. And the oil already gets extracted up. Just like that. Which is just pretty amazing because once you get the vacuum going, you're pretty much good. The oil, you can hear it actually flowing in there. I like to do this even on cars like this, where the filter's on the bottom, just so that it makes it easier. There's less mess. This is easier to put into a container than regular oil. And if it's something like this Jeep that you could service topside, then you never have to pull the drain plug anyways. Don't ever have to go underneath the car. So that's my favorite way of doing it. Also, this unit is 2.5 gallons, which is absolutely amazing. I'll probably need to run this a little bit. And again, as long as you have vacuum going, you could actually have it running off the air compressor the whole time. It makes it super quick, super easy. You can literally do an oil change in 15-20 minutes with this. And I've actually pulled out the plug. I won't do that today because I don't have the new crush washer, so just, you know, no harm, no foul. I'm changing my oil every 5,000 miles. So that is one of the things that people get worried about, is how much oil is left behind. 5%. Like, such a nominal amount that it's not going to actually matter. And as long as you're not terrorizing your engine, right, going like 15,000, 20,000 miles between an oil change, where you'd be worried about that, then yeah, I'm confident in the way it does it. So this is actually how they service Audis, Audis, and Porsches. I was gonna say BMW doesn't have a dipstick. You actually just need a service port, is what they call it on Audis, which is really funny. So that's all it is. I'll put a link down in the description box below for this one, because this is the one I like because of the size and the fact that it's air and it's pump at the same time. So that way you're getting the best bang for the buck, so you're getting both. And I think this thing is just over $110, and it's OEM quality, so you know it's actually gonna last a little bit. And again, it's just, I love fluid extractions. They're great for transmissions, differentials, anything where, yes, you might have to pull a drain plug, but this is just good to do, so that when you do pull a drain plug, even if you have to, it's just less mess. Because see how well contained this is? And again, I've already pulled out 2 quarts, and I've used only like 25 of the piece out. It's still at 150. And again, flip the switch. Let it start pulling again. Actually, that might be all my oil. Oh no, it's still coming out a little bit. You can actually see it right there. So again, look at how easy the video has been, like 3 minutes so far. So in 3 minutes, I pulled out all my oil almost. Barely used any of the air compressor. Because again, you don't need it to keep going on the air compressor, because once it gets the vacuum, then you're good to go. So it's still sucking. Look at how fast that's going. Also, another key tip, make sure the oil is hot, and as hot as you're going to get it. So right after you're done driving is the best time to do this. That's what I did, so it makes it super easy. Again, I'll have a link down below. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.